Today I'm taking a look at this LLANO MP001 glass mousepad. This is specifically the 13.8 by 11.8 inch size. Keep in mind that LLANO did send me this to try out and make a video on based on my collaboration terms, which means they had no say in the contents of the video and they were not allowed to preview anything. Some of the specifications of this mousepad: the weight is 0.8 kilograms or 1.76 pounds. It definitely feels like it has weight to it. The size is 350 millimeters by 300 millimeters by 3 millimeters. And that is 13.8 by 11.8 by 0.1 inches. The surface is micro etched at 0.85 microns. I'm not really sure what exactly that means, but it does have a somewhat matte feel to it. Looking at the glass itself, it has a rounded bevel on the edges. There are rubber pads on the bottom of the glass. Comes in a nice box, includes a microfiber cloth. They do suggest with low DPI mice that you might need to adjust the settings a little bit to get it properly working. They say it is 7H tempered glass.
I think it's just naturally blurred because of the glass. Yeah.
One consideration with this mouse pad is that it will make noise when you're moving certain mice over it. I did notice with all of the mice that I tested, some of them were pretty quiet and other ones made a fair amount of noise.
Okay, this one's not as good. Kind of scrapes a little bit. RAPOO mouse. This is also a silent click. Oh, that also... It does make some noise when you move across it. I can try it with this one. This seems like the ideal mouse. It sounds good. Doesn't make a ton of noise. I just don't like the clickiness of this specific mouse for my personal preferences, but that feels pretty good.
They suggest using a PTFE based mouse. That means the pads on the bottom are PTFE material. You'll likely just have to try various mice or find a mouse specifically with that material on the bottom. I did notice with the Logitech gaming mouse that I was using, it was very quiet, very smooth. The main application that I did try this with is a game called Pools. You basically just walk around.
Actually, I'm not getting much of the scraping noise. Maybe it's just because this mouse is very new on that surface, of course. It is an interesting experience. It does make some noise as I move my hand across it. You know, glass noise. Let's go blue mode on the resolution. Feels good. I'm not used to using a wireless mouse, so it's kind of a cool experience, I guess. There's a certain word that's used now. Liminal spaces, yeah, liminal spaces type game. So you can get an idea of what it is. Anyways, that seems, this mouse works decently well on here as well. I can also try the gaming mouse. Okay, that feels really nice. Smooth. Man, I really need to mod this because the clicks are just too much for me. That feels good. Yeah, I'm surprised that different mice make such a difference in how it feels on this glass. But this is clearly the better one to use on it, because it feels really smooth. This feels pretty decent as well. Oh. Okay, this has a smooth scroll wheel and a click thing. Yeah, clearly different mice make a big difference on this glass surface. It's got some texture. gaming mouse, specifically the G203 Logitech, is the smoothest by far. Feels good. Yeah, very nice.
Felt like a very nice experience with this glass pad. I didn't have any tracking issues at all with any of the mice that I tried using different DPI settings. It all worked just fine. The main thing for me was the sound that it makes depending on the mouse. This specific size was just fine for me. I didn't have any issues running out of space to move the mouse around. If you are a very cleanly person, I think a glass mouse pad should work quite a bit better than any type of soft material that absorbs liquid. I think I could get used to using this glass mouse pad, but it would depend on which mouse I'm using. Again, thanks to LLANO for sending me this mouse pad at no cost, but keep in mind that they had no say in the content of the video and they were not allowed to preview anything. Scott of Tech, I suppose. Thanks.